So welcome back dear friends. On our channel we used to upload pronunciation tutorial videos separately. But from now onwards, at the end of every tech tutorial videos, we will be integrating the pronunciation tutorial videos too. So first thing first, while you open your Gmail app, and in the top left corner, if you click on the three horizontal icon, generally some of these options are mispronounced by majority of people. So at the end of the video, I'll tell you the correct pronunciation of these words. So let's come to the main point. There are basically two ways to delete your emails. See, when you open your Gmail app, first you see all the emails here. In the first method, what to do? Click and hold for a few seconds on any Gmail, like this. And now look at the top left corner. You see a select all option here. So click on this box. And now see, only 50 emails have been selected. But if you have more than 50 emails on your Gmail, and if you want to delete all of them, scroll down a little bit. Keep scrolling down. And now you see the new emails. And at the top left corner, you get the select all option again. Okay, so click on this box again, and now the total 100 emails have been selected. Now first select all the emails like this, and now to delete all these emails, look at the top right corner. Here is the delete icon, and once you click on this delete icon, all your selected emails will be deleted in just a single click. Okay, so that was the first method to delete your emails. Now I'm gonna show you the second method to delete your emails. See, the first process is same. You gotta select all the emails that you want to delete from your emails. If you click on this icon, all the selected emails will be archived and they will be removed from here. Okay, and that's how you can hide all your emails without deleting them. Now I'm gonna tell you the correct pronunciation of some words. After opening your Gmail app, at the top left corner, if you click on this trillion icon, the number one is primary. It's not primary, it's primary. Primary, you gotta stress on the first syllable, okay? So primary. And next is promotion. Promotion, you gotta stress on the middle syllable, promo, okay? Stress on the mo syllable, so it's promotions. And it's social, not social, it's social. And one of the most commonly mispronounced words is this one. In American accent, this word is pronounced as schedule. Okay, schedule. And this word is pronounced as spam. And this one is trust. So this was the pronunciation tutorial that we have integrated at the end of this tech tutorial video. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found the video a little bit helpful in solving your problem, then hit a like. And if you want more this kind of helpful and informative videos, then subscribe right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful and informative content. Till then, thank you and bye bye.